Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make quick $50 right now in this video. So if you are interested in learning how you can take advantage of this and make a very quick money right now for yourself, make sure that you watch this video to the end. I'm going to reveal it very quickly, and this video I will make sure that it's not going to be so long so that you won't have any need to skip anything. So watch through to the end. So guys, the website that's going to help us to make $50 right now is called Super Exchange. So here is the Super Exchange. It's a cryptocurrency trading website where you can trade your cryptocurrencies. You can trade features as well, and I think they have so many other features. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can claim a lot of airdrops, which you can actually convert to fiat money if you want to, or you can keep them and watch these airdrops will become later in the future. So without wasting much of your time, I will quickly dive into it. And before I do that, if this is your first time watching my videos, guys, I want to say welcome to my channel. In this channel, I make a lot of videos on cryptocurrency trading, NFTs, everything about crypto that's gonna benefit you and give you a huge and massive reward. So if you are looking for a way to make money online, so this is the place you come to get a very exciting information. So that being said, so to get the airdrop, you have to come to this website. The first thing you do, use the referral link in the description of this video and register so that you will be able to get $10 for using my referral link. So once you've done that, the registration is as simple as every other website that you have registered. So it's not going to take you any time at all. And once you are here, then you have to make sure you don't need any form of verification before you start doing this. So that's the interesting part. So you have to click at this place where it says airdrop base. And once you do that, it's going to take you to this page. So in this page, the airdrop base, you are going to do some little tax. The taxes are not that much and it's not that difficult at all to do. So the first thing you will do is after the registration, you are going to get instant 10 ET. ET is the native token of Super Exchange. So this 10 ET actually amount to $10. So that's the actual value of 10 ET. So if you follow them in their Twitter account, you are going to get 2 ET, which is equivalent to $2. So follow them on their official Telegram group. You are going to get additional 2 ET, which is another $2. So right here, when you deposit any amount, the minimum deposit amount, you are going to also get 5 ET, which is $5. So just perform all of these tasks. This one says immediately enter feature transaction. So once you deposit, just go to their features platform and you'll be rewarded with 10 ET. The same thing goes with the sports transaction. So once you go to their spot transaction, for example, you deposit USDT, you can buy any coin and then switch it back or sell it again to, back to your USDT, just to at least perform one trade, and you get another 10 ET. So you are going to do all of these things when you introduce anybody, just like I'm introducing you right now with my referral link. So you are also going to make 10 ET. So that is it, guys. When you calculate everything, it's going to amount up to 50 ET, which is equivalent to $50. So guys, it's as simple as that. And meanwhile, you can hodl this coin. You can hodl it actually as long as you want, until it creates value. Because this website is a new cryptocurrency exchange. So I'm kind of believing that this exchange is going to grow and their native token could even go as high as BNB for Binance Exchange or other cryptocurrency exchange token. So you know how it is when it comes to crypto exchange token. The price after launching, the price will skyrocket. So this is an opportunity to kind of accumulate all of these new token for free. Is a native token of an exchange. Is definitely going to create value over time. So I'm holding mine, and if I have opportunity to accumulate more of it, of which I am going to do that. And most importantly, it's very interesting and it's going to please me if you use my referral link. In that way, I will be making 10 ET each time a user uses my referral link to register. So guys, that being said, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question regarding this, make sure you drop it in the comment section of this video. I will definitely going to reply you. And in case if you don't have anything to say, guys, just feel free, drop me a nice comment, say something nice. Of course, I take out my time to find these things and I do my research properly before I do this. So just to bring you the information that will benefit you, just put any little comments and also like the video. That will make a very big impact. And that being said, so we will wrap it up right here. So you can see the amount I've been able to make. I've been able to make 49 ET. So if you use my link, I'll be making a little bit more. You know how it is, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Have a nice day.